This project presents an exploration of interactive storytelling within the museum space to find more feasible and simple solution to the dissemination of the museum's exhibitions. Museums has always been source of public entertainment and education, and with the introduction of digital technology, visitors now expect active involvement. Thus, interaction and storytelling have been combined to make a satisfactory experience. Interactive storytelling needs a medium to unfold within, and one of the most unique storytelling mediums are hypercomics, a hybrid between comic books and interactive fiction. To make simple and successful interactive storytelling, creative ideas can be found in the literature, like the ideas of mood-changing features that can change the mood of a story based on user decisions without changing the story plot. An application for this project was made to evaluate the effect of the implementation of the mood-changing features in an interactive storytelling application. The app was tested by visitors at the Storm-P Museum. Although the test showed that the intelligibility of the story was successful and that mood-changing features had an effect on the visitors, the result was inconclusive regarding the interaction and failed to fulfill the requirements of a fully interactive storytelling experience.
Created using Powtoon.